Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to present you how to add triple line border to image in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add triple line border to our image. Firstly we insert a image. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then insert a picture. Now I choose the picture and click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we added triple line border in this picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click picture border and select the dashes, then choose more lines. Now we can see here a new tab opened. Now we select the solid line and click the compound type triple line. Then we increase the width 5 and or 6 pt. Now we can see here we added triple line border to this image very easily. Now we better see the image small or move the image. Go to the format menu, then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then move the image to see better. Now we can see here we added triple line border to this image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.